This Stinger 6.8-inch double-din stereo is tailored for late 2009 through 2014 F-150 trucks, arriving as a complete package with dash kit, wiring, and antenna adapter, so the upgrade feels factory finished. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support work reliably, letting you handle calls, messages, navigation, and music without fumbling with cables or menus. The capacitive touchscreen is responsive and straightforward, making it easy to switch sources, adjust audio settings, and move through menus while keeping attention on the road. Bluetooth integration is solid with clear hands-free calling and stable wireless streaming for music, podcasts, and audiobooks. Sound quality is a noticeable step up from the stock Ford system, offering cleaner highs and stronger bass once you fine-tune the equalizer. Included support for factory-style steering wheel controls and a backup camera input helps this unit feel like a modern, well-integrated upgrade rather than an aftermarket add-on.